Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove balance credit on Apple ID on iPhone. So guys, if you want to remove balance credit on your Apple ID on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, all you have to do is that simply open Sport app on your iPhone or other Apple device and scroll it below and go to App Store, and now go to subscriptions and purchases, and now go to unable to purchase, and from here you have to simply scroll it below and tap on get more help, and from here tap on live chat, and from here you have to simply give these details, and after this start chatting with the Apple team representative. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem to the Apple team in a brief way about this issue, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your Apple devices as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.